Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay, kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy. And welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abundan. Sa mga kaibigan natin sa Facebook at YouTube, maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZBB, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, welcome to your program. Sa aming Fast Talk spinner, happy birthday, Ian Rodriguez. Thank you very much. Isang kaibigan po ang ating bisita ngayong hapon. Napakaganda at kontrobersyal. Naitay, kapuso, please welcome Bibi Gandang Hari. Welcome to the program again.
Yes, it's been a while. At ang bilis ng panahon, no? I think it's been
Totoo yun.
almost 2 years already.
Saka, di ba? Parang you wake up in the morning and you say, huh? July na?
Yes, exactly.
There's something in the air.
It
But you know,
just
di ba? Parang ang
flies.
bilis. But it's a reminder to all of us that ako, ang take ko doon, we have to be better, we have to be kinder people. Yung ganun.
Oo,
gusto ko
always.
maging mabuti.
To be a better version of yourself.
Tama.
Di ba?
But congratulations.
Thank
I
you.
saw the photos, I saw the videos, you graduated.
Yes, I did.
From the Los Angeles Film School,
Uh-huh.
Bachelor of Science in Entertainment Business Management. Ganda naman, summa cum laude.
Thank you. I take it with pride.
Of course.
Because it takes a lot of determination,
hard
of course, hard work, discipline, and mind you, I'm also perfect attendance, no late.
Oh,
Yeah. So
proud.
I'm really focused when I was doing it, and so when I graduated with honors, I was really very
Gaano
proud of
katagal yun?
myself. 2 years.
Galing. At saka, anong ibig sabihin ng Bachelor of Science, tapos yung Entertainment Business Management? Exactly, ano yun?
So it's basically business management, but it's all
Focused on
entertainment business.
Galing
so
naman.
all about the business and entertainment.
Okay.
Yan.
Bakit yun ang napili mo?
I think because of my background also as an actor, di ba?
Lahat,
So
oo.
eventually, parang gusto ko, I wanna be a producer, I
Yun.
wanna be creating concepts and produce it, and you know.
More than directing, more than acting, yun yung lagi kong naririnig sa'yo. Gusto mong mag-produce.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
But I wanna direct also. I wanna
Of
be a
course.
filmmaker. But in the end, I wanna be that filmmaker who produces, who directs, who acts, you
Oo.
know.
May mga specific na plano ka na ngayon? Kung ano ang iyong gagawin dito sa path na ito?
Yes. In fact, I'm already, parang meron na ako mga na-develop na concepts. So I'm creating decks.
Okay.
And then, nandun na ako meron akong isang concept na pinapakipag-usap sa producer already, finding fundings for it. So basically, I'm doing the route of a independent filmmaking.
That's right.
Yeah. So nandun yung route ako.
Na maraming mga kaibigan tayo sa Amerika na yun ang ginagawa,
Yes.
that path, no?
Yes,
You create a concept, tapos aghahanap tayo ng
Funding for it. Funding for it.
Pero karamihan sa mga concept na ito, director ka ba, producer ka ba, arte ka ba?
Iba-iba. Meron ako mga konsepto na mainly just an actor, and then meron akong konsepto mainly as a director, at meron din akong konsepto as a producer, and then also I'm acting in it. Depende dun sa istoryang naiisip ko. Kung
Pero
saan
halimbawa,
ako
magkaroon ka ng mga offers, Bibi, dito sa Pilipinas to do series or a movie, bukas ka naman.
Oh yeah, I'm more than willing. Of course, syempre, hindi naman lahat pwede mong gawin on your own, no? I'm still looking forward to working with the directors. We have really good directors now. And then, syempre, gusto ko rin makatrabaho for example, GMA, ang gaganda ng mga teleseryeng nakikita ko dito. So, I wanna be a part of that also.
Bida, kontrabida, I mean, kwentuhang magkaibigan lang.
I can do both. I mean, one of the characters I really enjoyed doing way back in 2014 was Bida Contra Bida, ito yung Enchanted Garden sa kabilang channel. So I was the evil queen. In the,
Gusto ko naman yung mga evil queen.
evil queen. Na mga tinatarayan ko, sila Rufa, sila Alice Dixon, sila Rufa.
Enjoy na enjoy ka doon.
Enjoy ako doon.
Mga kaibigan natin. Sino ang pinakamaganda at pinakamasayang tarayan? Si Peachy, si Rufa,
Actually,
Alice.
Syempre si Rufa nakakatawa naman yun all the time, di ba? But Alice is always a good katrabaho. I mean, even from way back, no? So meron talaga kaming rapport when in front of the camera.
Tama naman. Tama naman. Pero ngayon, what brought you back? Bakit umuwi ka? At how long have you been here?
I've been here for quite a while already. Mga 2 months, more than 2 months already.
Okay. What brought you home?
Main reason.
Ito ba'y may kinalaman sa politika o sa pag-ibig?
I wish, no? Hindi. Unfortunately, it's for health reasons.
Okay.
So, sa Amerika, I was diagnosed with a cardiovascular condition na so nakakita ng blockage sa puso ko. And then, I was very emotional in the States. And then, I was supposed to have parang angiogram there and then go through the whole process. But I wasn't sure kasi sabi ko, I don't know if I'm too young for that kasi they want to put a stent on my heart already. And I was like, let me go back. Sabi ko, babalik muna ako na America and have a second opinion over there.
Babalik ka sa Pilipinas?
Gusto ko dito mag-second opinion.
And you did that?
And I did that.
And you're okay?
And then I had my procedure last week for second opinion.
Okay.
Of course, during that whole process, I changed my lifestyle, I changed my diet. Also, that's the reason why I went to Iloilo, just to have that clear air and just to really relax, pahinga. And so I had my procedure last week, and God is good. So yung blockage na nakita sa akin sa Amerika was diminished. So mas medyo
Praise God.
bumaba yung blockage. Not parang to the extent na I don't need a stent for it, which is the most important thing for me.
At least, claro, I was worried when I heard about you. I mean, telling me about it. Dahil at this age, sabi nga natin, mas vulnerable na.
Correct. You know? but of course, I'm still very active. That's what that was my fear when I was diagnosed. I was like, how can I even? Parang hindi ko kaya yung biglang hindi ka na pwede maging active, yung you have to, yung kailangan mo mag-stop and to...
At tuloy ang laban. And you've always had, I mean, I've known you forever, maingat ka sa kalusugan,
Yes.
di ba? Pagkain at lahat ng ito.
Everything.
Okay, babalikan ko ang Iloilo, hindi ko malilimutan yan, maya-maya lamang, dahil nakita kita sa dalampasigan, pero bago yan. Hindi, but, you know, Bibi, a lot of people are asking, dahil nakita ka, at tayo nakikiramay pa rin, patuloy tayong nagluluksa sa pagkawala ni Rene at ang kanyang kaibigan, the Nigerian...
Divine.
Divine, yes. Oo, Divine. Ang pagpanaw nila. Nakita kayo ni Senator Robin, ni Binoy, sa libing, and then kasama ka yata ng pamilyang Baterbonia sa Aurora.
Correct.
Ano ito? Are you friends? Are you involved? Ano ang kwento?
Okay, so kasi si Robin, nagpunta dun sa, siguro 2 days pa lang na nandito si Bobet. Nagpunta na siya dun sa wake.
Bobet is Rene?
Rene.
Okay.
So, nagpunta na siya dun sa wake and then kinukwento niya sa akin na, alam mo, talagang awang-awa siya dun sa pamilya, plus the fact na, of course, it's a shattered dream. And alam mo, yung napakalaki ng potential ng bata. And then, nung sabi niya, pupunta ako sa sabi niya, makikipaglibing ako. Sabi ko, sasama ako. Oo, sasama ako kasi gusto kong makiramay talaga. Kasi naiintindihan ko yung sakit, no, na nung nawala dun sa pamilya, dun sa ina. So, nagpunta kami, and then doon ko na-meet ng personal yung si mommy at si daddy. Yun ang tawag ko sa kanila. No? At so sa pagyakap ko sa kanya, umiyak kasi yung pagyakap ko. Tapos naramdaman ko yung sobrang hinagpis ba na I can't be, kung ako yun, para mahihirapan, baka ikaloka ko.
Doon nagsimula ang iyong pagiging magkaibigan.
Yes,
And that also explained why napasama ka o
Oo.
sumama ka doon sa pagdalaw nila sa Aurora?
Tapos nalaman ko, pupunta sila ng Aurora. Sabi ko, Robin, sasama ako sa kanila just to give a moral support. I could just imagine yung pupuntahan mo first time yung lugar kung saan nawala yung anak mo, no?
What was that? Gusto lang nila makita yung lugar?
Gusto nila magpaalam and gusto nila
nang
makita what
maayos.
happened. Yes.
Oo.
And you know what's ang medyo
Nakakakilabot.
nakakakilabot ng ano is nung nandun na kami and then dala-dala nila yung mga flowers. Tapos binaba yung flowers dun sa dalampasigan, no? Tapos yung tubig, hindi naman umaabot kasi nilagay nila dun sa medyo hindi inaabot ng tubig. But when the mom started saying something and talking to Bobet, alam mo, biglang gumanon yung tubig dun sa mga flowers. Parang nagparamdam talaga. Tapos kinuha yung
Ako naiintindihan ko yung halaga ng pagpapaalam ng maayos.
Yes.
Dahil sa amin, halimbawa, ako'y laking Samar, kaugalian yan na pag halimbawa pumanaw sa...
At saka puntahan mo talaga kung saan
Tama.
nangyari,
Oo.
di ba? And to think, alam mo, 5 days pa lang umaalis yung bata from them.
I know. Oo.
So, it was all sudden, no? And
Unbearable pain.
Unbearable
talaga.
pain.
Oo.
Unbearable
Pero kumusta sila ngayon?
I
Bibi,
think
kumusta ngayon?
they're doing better. But sabi ko nga, I think grief will stay forever. It's just a matter of getting used to it.
Tama ka doon.
Di ba?
Oo.
It will never go away.
You get used to it.
You just get used to it. Especially so, Bobet is just a good, kinukwento kasi sa akin, he's such a good son. Mabait naman lahat yung mga kapatid niya.
Bibi, ano ka ba naman? 70% ng allowance, ipinapadala sa nanay.
Yes.
Napakabuting anak.
And even before that, talagang tulong-tulong sila. Yung panganay, siya yung kasi nagtatrabaho yung dalawang magulang,
Oo.
no? Tapos yung panganay, siya yung bahala nagsaing, magluto, magbugas ng pinggan. Tapos si Bobet, dahil siya yung pangalawa, siya naman yung nag-aalaga ng baboy, yung mga, kung ano man yung mga pinagkakakitaan nila, no? So it's a...
Tulong-tulong.
Tulong-tulong.
At saka yung, when they started to talk about dreams, yung mga pangarap, talagang nakakadurog ng puso.
And what's more painful is yung focus ni Bobet to be great.
Right.
If you see all his plays, sabi ko, he has the heart of a champion. Kasi nakita ko, mahilig ako sa basketball eh. And then nakita ko yung drive niya, nakita ko the way he plays. He's really above the rest. And then, full of potential.
Patuloy tayong magdasal. Isa pang ipinaglalaban ni Binoy, ni Senator Robin sa Senado, ay yung kanyang juvenile justice law or act. Ito na may pagkatapos ng nangyari kina Rene at saka ni Divine, nangyari naman ang barilan sa
Correct,
Tacloban.
correct.
Alam mo ba nung araw na yun, nandun ako sa Tacloban? I was in Tacloban City.
No way.
Oo, nandoon ako, palipad kami pabalik ng Maynila. So, nagbarilan. So, Binoy, I think, is working on, kasi mga minor de edad ang involved.
Yes.
15 at saka...
15 and 14.
14,
But it was the
oo.
14 years old who really
Tama.
shot everyone.
So, ikaw ba'y sang-ayon doon sa panukala ng iyong kapatid na babaan ang age of criminal responsibility?
Oo, 100%.
100%.
Kasi nga, unang-una sa Amerika, ang daming ganyan, di ba? So, ano rin yan eh, discussion din yan sa Amerika. And then, si Robin pumunta ulit doon sa mga biktima, and then I went with him. So,
Sa Tacloban?
Sa Tacloban.
Okay.
So, nakita ko rin yung burol. Magpunta kami doon sa burol ng mga bata, nakausap namin yung mga magulang, yung mga nabaril sa ospital, pinuntahan namin lahat yun.
Okay.
So, I saw the pain. I saw yung nagawang krimen ng isang 14-year-old na in my mind, parang how can you, it's a crime, no? And what more, parang ano pang hinihintay mong gawin nitong 14-year-old na to?
Okay.
When in fact, hindi lang siya nanakit, kundi pumatay siya ng mga bata.
Ako nagbasa naman ako kagabi, nadaanan ko yung artikulo po ni Justice Panganiban sa Philippine Daily Inquirer kasi hindi ko maintindihan yung pagkakaiba noong 14 at saka 15. Ang 15 pala and below, so 15 and below...
Hindi, 15 and above.
No,
pwede,
one day, 15 and above.
can be...
No, let's start with the 15 and below. Wala ka, you're exempt from
Correct.
criminal liability.
Sa ano lang
dahil
sila.
nga sa pagkabata mo.
Oo.
Pero ito ang na-surprise ako. 15, one day, yung above 15 naman, below 18 years old, exempt ka rin pala sa criminal liability. Pero pag merong discernment, which has to be established, doon ka lang bibigyan ng kaso.
Oh, but the thing is, dun mo nga makikita, kasi
Rehabilitation and then intervention.
Correct.
Oo.
Kaya lang kasi yung law na yan is way, sa panahon
Tama.
natin yan, na
Oo.
wala pang mga internet and everything.
Wala pang social media.
Wala pang social media na ang mga bata, ang dami nang napupulot sa social media. Can you imagine, in this particular case, yung 14-year-old, marunong kumasa at intentional. Hindi siya base doon sa pakikipag-usap namin doon sa principal at nakausap
Okay.
din namin si Mayor
Oo.
yung Mayor Tacloban, si Mayor Romualdez, hindi random. Meron intentional ang mga
May plano ba?
binaril niya.
May plano yung mga bata.
It seems like.
Okay.
It seems like. Kasi ang binaril niya, makaklase niya eh.
Okay.
Classroom niya, klase niya ang binaril niya.
At saka may mga conversations before the
Correct.
crime
And
happened.
magaling. Nagpapalit ng magazine.
Alright.
So,
Pero
para
ang-
sa akin.
Oo, para sa iyo.
Para sa akin is, dapat yung, kasi yung 10 years old naman na sinasabi ni Robin is parang hindi idiin ang mga bata, but to have a deterrent. Para matakot.
Parang deterrent, oo.
Deterrent. Para kung ikaw ay 10-year-old o 12 years old o 14 years old, mapapaisip ka. Kasi unang-una, ang isang problema dyan, ine-exploit yan ng mga taong
Okay.
matatanda na ginagamit ng mga batang ito kasi alam nilang hindi sila makukulong.
Oo, or in-exploit ng mga grupo katulad itong pinag-uusapan ngayon, yung mga nihilist terrorist groups. No?
Correct.
Pero ang pinag-usapan talaga, Bibi, ay there was this panawagan. Galit ka ba kay Sharon Cuneta? There was a video kung saan nagsalita ka at sinabi mong hindi ka sang-ayon, you supported Kiko, and then binabawi mo. Ano ang ibig sabihin noong video na yon? Ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda.
Alright.
Kami nagbabalik po dito sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kasama po natin ang ating kaibigang Bibi Gandang Hari. I have some good news, mga kapuso. Malalaking premyo po ang naghihintay sa inyo sa Kapuso Big Time Panalo Season 5. Over 6 million pesos. Wow! Ang ipamimigay ng GMA. At sa unang pagkakataon, dalawa sa inyo ang maswerteng mananalo ng 2 million pesos tax-free. Mga mamimili at sari-sari store owners ang pwedeng magpadala ng entries. And that's only until August 7. Kaya sumali na po kayo. Maraming salamat. Let's talk about, that panawagan you had for, for Sharon Cuneta. Ano yun?
Kasi I campaigned for Kiko way back.
Okay.
No? Yung una siyang tumakbo. And I campaigned for her kasi si Sharon ang kaibigan ko.
Okay.
And then I remember, during that campaign, sinasabi ni Sharon on stage na ito ho, kinakampanya namin ng asawa ko, pag pumalpak po ito, sabihin ninyo sa amin at iiwan ko po ito, pupunta na ako ng Australia. Yan ang sinasabi niya.
Okay.
Tumatak sa isip ko yon na I think we have to maintain our integrity as far as yung ipinapangako natin sa tao.
Okay.
Dumating sa punto na dito nga sa usapin na to yung sa mga bata, na parang hindi ko naiintindihan bakit hindi naiintindihan ni Senator Kiko yung
it was nothing personal.
Nothing personal
good.
at all.
Okay.
Kaya lang sabi ko nga kay Sharon, kaso kung ganyan, ibinabawi ko na yung suporta ko. Baka may mga nakakaalala pa noon na doon sa...
Nagkausap na ba kayo ni Shawi?
Hindi pa.
So, klaro, it's not personal.
Not at
Ang
all.
pinag-uusapan ay itong panukala nga.
Ito lang ito,
tungkol
na
sa mga
kung
bata.
ganito ang paninindigan ng asawa mo, I don't think I can support you any longer. And I'm taking it back. Kasi nagkampanya ako in public, so I will also take it back in public.
That's very clear. Okay. Ikaw ba'y papasok sa politika?
Hindi.
Ayaw mo?
I'm a very apolitical person, so
Oo.
it's just
Pero
that...
that's a logical question. You know that,
Oh,
no?
yeah, very much
Oo,
so.
lumaki ka sa ama mo ay nasa politika.
Correct.
Hindi lang sa Binoy, even one of your brothers
Yes,
also
si
got...
Rommel. Si
Rommel
Rommel.
got
Oo,
into
oo,
politics.
oo,
Pero
oo.
wala ka talagang...
I'm very apolitical. I don't wanna be
Hindi ka
caught in
tatakbo
politics.
bilang mayor ng Iloilo City, halimbawa. Oo.
Sa Iloilo talaga.
Bakit Iloilo?
Bakit
Oo,
may
yung friends-
may friend
friends
ako
there.
doon. I have a friend.
Okay.
And it turned out to be a really beautiful place.
No, beautiful.
Yeah.
How do we call Iloilo? It's a city of love.
It's a
Hindi
city
ba?
of love.
Ikaw talaga, pinatutuhanan mo na ito'y city of love.
Yung vibe ko yun. No?
Sandali. Sino naman itong kasama mo habang naglalakad ka sa... Ayan! Alam mo, Bibi, ano ito? Ano ang kwento dito?
Ewan ko rin, bakit ba kami naglalakad dyan? Baka naman sinasamahan lang niya ako kasi gusto kong maglakad-lakad sa dalampasigan.
Hindi, pero iba eh.
Di ba?
Iba yung body language mo eh.
Ganun ba?
Oo, parang eh. Parang may iba eh. Yung ganun mo, may iba. Talagang nilagyan ng ibig sabihin.
Nasa damit lang siguro. Ganun.
Oo. Ayan, oh. At saka, iba rin siya eh. Parang, naghawakan ba kayo ng kamay dyan?
Nagkawa ka na. Ay, pag umakit ako ng hagdan, inaalalayan naman niya ako.
Hindi nga. Kasi the last time you were here on the show, sabi mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Handa ka nang magmahal muli.
Yeah.
And I mean, you deserve all the love. Really. From the bottom of my heart, as a friend, you deserve it all.
Oh, thank you very much. I think we all deserve to
Are
be
you?
to love and to
Of
be
course.
loved, no?
So are you loved now? Are you loving someone?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Are you on your way to getting there?
I
Ikaw,
feel
tayo-
so. Pero wala pa, wala naman. Para feeling ko, I'm just okay, let's do.
That's right. Ito naman, huli lang, hindi natin ito napapag-usapan. Kayo ni Mina, are you okay? Are you in touch?
We are not in touch,
But
but
do you consider her as a friend? Si Carmina.
okay, maybe not as a friend kasi
Okay.
we haven't really talked, but she always has that special place in my
Of
heart,
course.
I think. And then also, I think, kasi nung bago ako umalis papuntang Amerika to migrate already, magkapit-bahay kami niyan eh.
Oo.
Naging magkapit-bahay kami sa
Okay.
The Grove. And then, we saw each other in the gym, and that was the time na we were able to
always
exchange
be
hellos and
You'll
yeah.
always be friends.
But I've always looked forward to na makita siya ulit.
Ako ho
And
ang
have-
manager ni Bibi noong mga panahon na yon.
Nako, oo.
I mean, bahagi ako ng kwento ng iyong
Yung
buhay.
bigla na lang akong pupunta ng Davao.
Oo. Let's do, well, ang fast talk natin, beauty or brains?
Beauty.
Gandang hari o magandang reyna?
Gandang hari.
Kabugera o rakitera?
Kabugera.
Ito na lang. Bibi Gandang Hari is finally...
Has finally landed.
And welcome home.
Thank you.
You have my
thank
love
you.
and you have my respect. Maraming
Thank you.
salamat.
Thank you.
Kita-kita tayo muli bukas. Napakaikli po ng panahon. Goodbye for now and God bless.